Alright, have you been having issues passing your profile account, or you are the type that you usually pass phase 1 or phase 2 and sometimes you blow the funded account away, or it is phase 1 that you keep passing, or you keep failing the phase 2, or whatever place you may be, whatever position, whatever challenge you might be facing. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I challenge myself and pick up a profile account. I passed all three in two weeks, and I get funded in the same 2 weeks, and I made about 20% profit reward in just less than 15 days. I'll be showing you everything accordingly and how you can go about it, what I did, and the strategies I put into it, and everything you need to know so you can stop blowing profile accounts and you can stop giving your profits or your money to profits. Okay, so watch this video now and follow me too as I explain everything to you. It's a two. Thank you so much, and join me on the inside. Bye for now. Alright, welcome everybody. This video is gonna be more of proof and then more of explanatory and more of what else? More of strategy. Okay, I'll talk about the strategy I use in my next video. I'll talk about how I'll explain the strategy right now, but I will talk about how you can do the same thing in my next video, and some things you should look out for whenever you're trading a profile, or whenever you're handling a profile account. Whichever profile account, they all have the same set of rules, and you can always apply and you pass any whichever maybe those ones have been in existence for 10-20 years, you definitely pass them. But let me show you mine and how I was able to go about it. I do trade normal, funding accounts. I just funded my account, I trade, I make some profits, but I just felt, okay, let me even try ProFirm, because I believe ProFirms, I believe if you can actually pass ProFirm, you are a good trader, because ProFirm dealt with some things about you, and if you can master those things as time goes on, you'll definitely be making profit here. But actually, I believe that some traders are good funding they are funding their own deposit alone, like this, that's depositing their money, and they trade fine, they are good and they're making money. But whenever they migrate into ProFirm, they have issues. The rules, the restrictions, the don'ts and do's, the everything restrict them, confine them and everything. Then they find themselves not being stable, they find themselves being emotional, and different stuff begin to happen and all stuff like that. But I can understand, it's fine, I can understand. But what I would say is that if you are a ProFirm standard, trader, a standard ProFirm trader, that is, you are tested and proven and tested with ProFirm, I believe so well that you can do well in any other type of accounts. Yeah. However, it is also possible for you to be funding your personal account and do well, and becomes a serious challenge for you to pass ProFirm. Yes, it's possible. It's very, very possible. But everyone that starts with ProFirm, passing the ProFirm and everything, has the ability to also do well with their funding account. But not everyone that's doing well with their funding account has the ability to do well in ProFirms. Do you understand? No. So that is for that. So I believe that is more clear, and that is more explanatory. So I just challenged myself and I pick up these ProFirms. I just felt, should I get 100k, 20k? I just felt, well, let me try the simplest ones and see how it goes. Then I gave it a try. I pick it up, I pick the lowest one, I show you everything. I should pick the lowest one, which is 5k. I just bought it, and then I'll show you when I started everything. I'll show you the history and everything. So I'll show you now. So I just pick everything, and then I started September 16. I passed in just 1 week. I think I passed both. I passed both to see 1 week. I think so. I think I passed both in just 1 week. Phase 1 and phase 2, I cleared them in just 1 week. But the main profit, then I was actually risking about 1%. Whenever I see a short trade, I use 2%. Whenever I have profit, I leverage on the profit I have, and I use 2%. So I want to pass it in just 1 week. After then, I reduce my risks to what is 0.5 and 1%. So now that it's now funded, so I knew that what 2% is in there, and so except I'm in a winning trade, then where I can maximize my trade, that's when I can increase my risks. Aside from that, at the fresh, I had just reaching 0.5 and 1%. So I was just reaching 1% and 0.1%, 1%. The first week wasn't good for me. I had a drawdown to close to about $150. Then the second week came and everything. I had a good setup. I had a very a sniper entering on that cliff trade, and I got in and everything, pam. I began to maximize it up, and that was why I flip it up, and then so far so good. I was holding the trade. I put the trade out there actually. I put it out there and I sent it in our community. I sent it out to my community, and I told them how to get a snapper into it, and because I got a snapper on that trade and I'm still holding, I started holding the trade since Thursday afternoon. I held it for about 72 hours. That was crazy. You see what that was? For about 4 days. That's about how many hours? That's about 72 hours. Yes, about 4 days. I held it for about 4 days. So I was able to make about I was able to make close to 20%. I'll show you everything, guys. Don't worry. I was able to make about 20% on that trade. So I sent it out there. I sent it out as on our community. I sent it out to all our community like VIP. That reminds me. In case you're just watching us for the very first time, or you're just watching this, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and then of course help us to grow so we can put more content out there for you guys, and of course you can enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for doing that. It won't cost you anything. Can you do that right now? Thank you so much. So if you are just watching the first time and you're on our community, we have a vibrant family on Telegram where we drop signals there. For as a matter of fact, we don't sell our VIPs. Actually, we have a free VIP signals, and you get up to like 5 to 10 signals per day. Okay, am I talking? So it's something you can join us, and of course be part of us. Right? Be part of us. It's cool. So be part of us, join us, part of us, and of course let's do this together. We have about 6 to 10 daily signals that we drop for everyone. So VIP is free. VIP is free. Yeah, you get it for free. So once you can connect with our general Telegram, you can see the link in my bio or comment below, and I'll definitely share you the link, and I'll definitely send to you, or any of our support will send you a mail, and they'll get you added to the group. So that is for that. So, and it all turned up that I should have closed the trade on Friday, but I saw this trade because that this trade is a high, the potential is crazy. But however, I was just targeting 200 pips, 150 to 200 pips. However, I never knew it's going to do about 500 pips. I never knew. But what helped me, the sake of just leaving it, or even though sometimes I actually closed my trade over the weekend, but I just felt this face is not green, because I actually had the risk reward ratio. So I was citing 1 to 3. I was only giving 1 to 2. I was like, what the fuck? This 1 to 3 is my target, man. I still believe so. And then the structure I was seeing was not showing any form of reversal, any form of stoppage anytime soon. And I was like, oh my god, this is weekend. Should I still hold, or let me just close up and then maintain myself, come back in the next week? I was like, let me hold it. Let me just leave it, man. It was doing everything. I left it over the weekend, so I left it because I was not okay with that profit I was seeing. I was not. It's not about greediness. Yeah, it's not being greedy though, because sometimes you will be greedy, and so it is two things of a thing. Once you're seeing the market, you're seeing that what is the potential for reversal, then you take a profit. You go with what 1 to 2, you go like that. But if the market is still giving you potential that I'm still going far, I am not ready to stop at the moment, and your risk reward ratio has not met. It's something that you need to build more confidence. I checked all the confidences, everything. I was still seeing a move, a buy, a strong buy in this market. And I was like, well, just leave it. Anyhow, whichever way, I know that what I'm far to where my stop loss is, because I don't do trading stop loss actually. I just want to maximize it. I want to maximize all my profits, because if you trail your profit sometimes, can reverse deeply, and that same candle can just melt up again, and just start going. It might cut you off and start going. By the time you don't have a good entry again. If you want to catch it up upset, you're already buying at resistance, and it will be a good one for you. So besides that, sometimes I don't do trading stop. I don't move. I just put it there. I either accept loss or accept the profit. That's it. I'm ready to lose 2% on this. If it comes against me, fine. I'm ready to make 4% on this 2 ratio, 1:2, and I go fine. So that was how it goes. It went, and by the time I wake up on Sunday, I had a short sleep. I wake up around 12. Let me just check this straight, because I know that 10-11 market opens. However, but when market opens, there is turbulence in the market, and of course you see gaps and everything. So market will not stable until around 12:1. So Sunday evening, 12:1, I come in. I went out the trading room. Just went to the trading room at 11:30. I saw, wow, oh my, I actually traded it on all my different accounts. So I log in and I saw everything crazy. Oh, my small accounts were in crazy profits. Some were in 10x. I have 10x. My big accounts were in crazy one. I was like, what the fuck? The profit himself, I just went to go and check that one too. What the fuck? That one too was about crazy, about close to about 20%. That was crazy, I started it in September 16, and then Just I was there 17 days or so. Yeah, that was 17 to 18 days, and I made 20%. I mean, each day I made average of 1%. I mean, I made average of 1% each day. That was crazy. That was how helped me. So you can just watch this video. I'll add the stuff to you, so you can watch the next video, so you can see exactly how I was able to do it and how it play out, everything, and how actually withdrawal. I'll show you my withdrawal and everything. You see there and everything like that. And of course, aside from that, I want you to tell me what profile are you currently trading at the moment. What account type? What account are you trading? A $5,000 account, just like what I did when I wanted to come into profile. Just let me try this 5K and let's see. Or you're trading on a key account. Let me know when you're trading, so you can give me the strategy to pass. The strategy I used, so I can give it to you, so you can use it to pass and stop feeling it again. Please stop feeling that profit. Just giving you your money. Stop giving them your money again, so you can pass that in 2 weeks and get funded in that 2 weeks, and of course you begin to make profit, weekly profit on it. So right now I'm even on a trade on that same account, and I wanted to tell me if I should go for 11K. Of course, I'm feeling too small, but I understand the fact that trading is not about trying to pursue the big. Start small. If you can turn $10 to 1 million, you can make 1 million to 11 million. That is it. So it's not about starting small. That $10, you can make 1% on $10. You definitely make 1% on 1 million. But if you cannot make 1% on $10, you definitely not be able to. But people do not understand that strategy, that simplicity. You always want to go for high because of the money, and you're just too greedy, and then you're not. No, it's not that. It doesn't work that way. Am I talking? It doesn't work that way. So I believe I can actually get it, and then maybe I'll just let me know. Should I go and get 100K or 20K account? Should I go? So anyway, let me know in the comment section whatever profile you're trading, the profile name you're trading, and of course the account account size you're trading, so I can give you the strategy for each account size. I'll be doing the next video and give you the strategy for each account size and how you can pass it, strategy to use, everything to use step by step. I'll explain them step by step how I did my own and how you can follow to copy and paste, and you just buy. If you don't pass, you will definitely see it. Of course, you definitely see that, and they also thanks me, and give a thumbs up to this video. So that is for that. So watch this video to the end and also see what I was able to go about it. And if you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to always subscribe, like, and follow us for more. Thank you so much, guys, and watch this video right now. See you on the inside. Touching to what I said, I'm gonna show you exactly the stuff about how I was able to pick up a profile, and I just decided to let me try something out, something new. And then I went for the lowest one, and I passed it in just 2 weeks. I passed it in 1 week, both phases in 1 week. Then the next of the other week, the first week, the other week I got funded the same week, and then I made about close to $20. And let me show you so you can see it. You can see it. So these are my losses. These are the losses on this. These are the profits. These are the losses or the profits. Can you see? So the losses. See? Can you see when I started? You can see it. You can see 16. I started 16th, the 16th. You can see it got funded on the 12th. I started 16. I didn't see entering at that moment, so I started at 16. You can see these are my losses, some my profits, and my losses. Then I passed it. I passed those ones, and this is the profit I made. This was huge. This one I held it for like about 14 hours. This huge profit. It gave me about 20% on it. So can you see the withdrawal? Payout? Can you see balance? Can you see the payout? Or guys, can you see the payout? So that was close to 20% of $5,000. So can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? So likely I placed withdrawal, of course, and I'm still trading the account. So let me know if I was actually thinking of to go for $100K or 200K account. What do you think, guys? Should I go for it or not? Because I'm just new to this, to forex, to profile. And I just say let me start from the lowest. Let me also show you from the dashboard, so in case you might be, let me show you where I started from. Can you see quoted 16th? Can you see start date? Can you see September 16th? Let me show you my first payout. Reward. Can you see reward? Can you see, guys? Process. I've actually received it. Can you see? I used crypto actually. So can you see? So crypto method. Can you see? And then this is it. Can you see? This is the payout. So I'm still trading on the account. Hopefully, I will definitely update you people. Of course, I will update you guys. I'll update you and as it goes. And if there's any other stuff I will let you guys know. Also, more importantly, this next video, I want you to go and watch it. I will show you exactly the strategy I use. I got my hand train, everything that will definitely help you out there. If you also want to do something like this, perhaps you cannot really trade yourself. I want to advise that this is something you can hand over to any of our team. Our support will definitely, our team will definitely, our professional team, our account management. We have a team specifically that manage people's account and help them to pass what programs. They actually use my strategy. They use everything I've taught them. They implement it for any client's account, and they carry it out excellently well and delivers. So it's something I am so sure of. I am confident and certain of that if you reach out, you'll definitely be helped. So if you're out there, you want you to be passed also in just 1 or 2 weeks, kindly reach out to any of our support. They'll connect you to our account manager and they'll definitely get you solved, and you'll be fine, instead of you trying to blow away such money and give it to pro firms day in, day out, month in, month out, and then year by year in, year always. So you can always get yourself funded easily and so fast. I hope you learned something today, and don't forget to watch the next video, because I will explain everything that you will need to do if you want to do this yourself as well. Thank you, and thank you for joining me once again. Peace out, guys, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye for now.